Here I've got SHARP Aquos R2, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So you've got two options. Let me start with the quickest one and just tap on the phone dialer icon, go to keypad, and I will provide you with secret code which will allow you to open your IMEI number. To do it, just enter *#06#, and that's it. As you can see, IMEI number is right in front of you. And then you can also read those numbers through the settings. So at first just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here just click on Model and Hardware. Here you've got serial number right here, and a bit lower you've got IMEI number assigned to your device. So this is it. That would be all. So you can find unique numbers assigned to your SHARP. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.